All right. Had a client call that went over just a tad. Um, all right, what's going on? What's going on? Hello, everybody. Oh, let me start the stream on live on Instagram. It's all about consistency, guys. All about consistency. I got to make sure to keep doing it, even when it gets a little interesting. So today we are going. It's 1 week, officially 1 week until CPA Con. Hey, we got like claps in here. Hold on. I don't know. I'm gonna find it. But yes, it is 1 week out. We are 1 week out. Um, we are about to start posting the panels and who's all coming, and you should have gotten emails about it already as well. But I'm going to I'm gonna share it on here. For the people who are participating in Hollywood accounting. Um, so let me grab this. I'm gonna just kind of just show some of the speakers, for example. Um, I bet. So I got that here. So we're gonna look at that, and then I want to talk about some some fraud. um, and then we got player games. So let's play our games first. Hope everybody's doing good. Where are my games? Here we go. It takes two to tango, two to tango, two to really feel the heat of romance. All right, share screen. Share window. How about that? Boom. Not sharing. Y'all see? I don't know. All right, sorry. I don't know if you can see. Okay, here we go. All right, bet. Tango. Right. What to do? What to do? What to do? That's that. That's that. That's that. That's that. All right. Get a lot of messages right now. It's distracting me. Boom. 50 seconds. Sorry. All right, my bad. I'm distracted today. I apologize, y'all. I'm not on. I'm not on. All right, let me. But we did that game, so we crushed it. Now I'm about to play Queens. All right, see, you see my streak? 71 days. I'm in this. All right, dude. Stop. Why does it do that, bro? I hate that. It makes me look like I did that on purpose. Alright, gonna keep going. This cannot be, so this cannot be it. And then we got this. Purple and urine, purple. So these can't be it. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, what else? What else we got? Oh, I'm not even showing y'all the game. Am I tripping? It's a day, y'all. It's the day. Let me see. Oh, ew. Messing up my time because of this. But it's cool. We're gonna rock with that. Not that. Alright. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. I'm getting a lot of notifications right now, which is pretty interesting. All right, where we at? All right, so one of these is one of those. That's that. Well, these two can't be it. So that's that. This. And then I have to be there. Okay, boom. Okie doke. All right, so we good with that. All right, so CPA Con. So sorry everybody, I was a little frazzled today. Got meetings and stuff, and again we're 1 week away from CPA Con. So what I want to do is to share some panel. At least to some of the speakers who are going to be talking. This isn't a complete list. There's probably a few more, obviously, but I just wanted to kind of share some lists with you guys. All right, so boom, give me that up closeness. I hate the fact that it does that, but yeah. Okay, so on the list, you probably can't see the full list because this is being wonky. So we're just gonna go back there. So we got Kareem Madison. He is a lawyer, and he works with trust and helping with just making people secure their wealth and everything, which is huge. I think as accountants, number one, we don't really think about that ourselves. We probably get like a nice little 401k that our job gives and everything like that. But I had a conversation with another wealth advisor, and it was like a real conversation. Was like, we as the accountants who manage other people's money and allow and help them grow their stuff, it's just like we should also have that amount of money. Not, again, it don't have to be the exact amount, but we shouldn't be leagues away from from them, because we should be able to manage our money properly as well and grow it, and and again really position ourselves in that way. And so, just making sure we're having that conversation about wealth is huge. So that's where Kareem is coming in. And we also have some people who are small business owners as well, potential clients for any CPAs and accountants who have the business who might want to join in on that. But it's just talking about wealth. Matthew Martin, the chair of Cal CPA, he's going to be coming through giving his insight and his background on his journey, specifically. In addition to Matt, you also have who else on the panel? Okori, if you see him, right here, and even Kathy as well. Different accountants with different journeys that'll be able to really highlight the difference that you can do in the many paths that you can take in the accounting space. We got my man Raphael who's coming in to help talk about just blockchain as well. In addition to that, we'll be on that panel talking about AI. So that's where Wesley Hartman and Ellen Choi comes in. Then we got, the doc, James Ramon Gibson as well. He'll be on that panel just again talking about what AI and blockchain is doing in the space and, helping to, kind of put accountants on game on that. Then we got Dr. Jackie Meyer coming through. She's going to be talking, and she's assisted with, also on the panel with Jasmine Haji Momin here. They're going to be talking about tax planning. They're going to be talking about, Jackie just came out with a, a way, she been came out with it, but, it's, really announcing this ROI method, which is going to be, a standard, in how we as accountants price our tax planning services. So that's going to be cool. My guy Drew Carrick, from the Rapid CPA, coming over from the Flowcast. He's going to be joining me on the panel about just accounting in Hollywood, and how how we use content, how we as accountants can use content in accounting as well, and kind of push our brand forward. And he was one of the, again, he's with the studio behind PBC, which is an accounting focused show, kind of like a mix between The Office and Silicon Valley, and just kind of really positioning accounting in a different light and showing you different, people in the space. And it's actually very funny, so you guys should watch it. Then we got my other guy, Matt. He is an agent. He works with UTA, so the United Talent Agency, and he helps put together brand deals and stuff specifically within like gaming and esports for clients. And I work with him on quite a few different deals myself. And I just think again he can add a little bit more context and some expertise on what Hollywood and accounting looks like. He comes from a professional background as a starting us, has some experience as a lawyer. And then we got our special guests as well. Berlizzi is one, a friend of mine that I've met throughout this space. He'll be joining Jasmine on her podcast. We're going to do a live taping, recording of her podcast. And, those two will be talking about, because that's her client, specifically on how accountants and creators and entertainers can kind of come together, and how, that really helps, how good of a place that we have in the space and why we're needed so much. And then in addition to that, we got Miri the Siren, as well, another influencer creator who recently kind of started getting the headlines this year. So she's going to come through and again talk about how finances has helped her, this being a new creator. And then we'll have a special guest actor as well, that we won't spoil it, but again, if you watch some shows, you'll see. I'm just keep it at that, because I'm terrible at keeping secrets when I'm talking. So let me just shut up. All right, so those are some of the speakers. We will have some more as well, but I just wanted to put together kind of a list so that people could see some of the people, some of the different conversations we're going to be talking about, and obviously we have the games. One other thing I wanted to do was just show people how to register. We are a week away. Again, we reduce costs, so we are students are free, and professionals are only $100. Okay. And if you really need it, let me know. Hit me up. We can talk about getting you in, because I just really want everybody to experience, what CPA Con is. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a ticket or secure your ticket. Again, if you don't got to actually buy it. So, we're going to go here, share that. Boom. All right. I don't think I need to be. It's just so weird because I need to be there in order to show this screen. It's so stupid. So stupid. All right, we're gonna do this. So you can either go to the cpacon.com and you can do it from there, or you could do it from another page. But on the web page, you can literally go up here to tickets. If you closer, you can see tickets right here. Boom, click that joint, and then you can scroll down. Again, you're going to be going to Cal CPA's website. And so if you're a professional, you go here. If you're a student, you go there. So let's just say, just a student real quick. You go here, you'll see we're going to be redirected to their website. And you'll see it is free. All you got to do is add to cart. And if you're already a member, then you're good to sign in. If you're not a member, I think you might have to create an account just to purchase the ticket. So, yeah, don't have an account. You got to create an account. So you create an account, you'll lock in your ticket, and you'll be good. If you are a professional, again, you just do the same thing. Click that link, it'll be 100, and then you just add to cart and go ahead. And so again, it's as simple as that to get your ticket, and you'll be good to go. All right, and then in our last few minutes together, stop that. I want to talk about this fraud with Macy's. All right, so just a real brief, kind of synopsis is that basically Macy's recently found out that an employee intentionally concealed about 132 or 154 million in delivery expenses over nearly 3 years, from 2021 to 2022. Discovery was made during the preparation of the company's third quarter financial statements. An independent investigation confirmed that the employee responsible for small package delivery expense accounting made errors in the entries to hide these expenses. The individual is no longer employed by the company, and the company stated that this issue did not impact cash management activities or vendor payments. As a result, Macy's has postponed its full third quarter earnings report until December 11th, and preliminary results indicate a 2.4% decline in net sales to, again, a meager $4.7 billion. But the issue, if we go a little bit more into it, it's like a lot of these services, kind of keep the stories behind like paywalls. So I have to find ones that, explain a little bit more. And sorry if y'all hear this noise out there. Hold on. Close. All right. So, I can show you the story. Hold on. I'm just looking it up on here. It's a little slow. Computer's frozen. All right. So ahead of the busy season, popular department, delay related announcement. The department source said that during preparation report issue, discovered an issue related to delivery expenses in one of its accrual accounts that prompted the company to conduct an investigation. As a result, the company identified that a single employee with responsibility for a small package, the same thing I just said, intentionally made erroneous accounting accrual entries to hide approximately 132 to 154 million of cumulative delivery expenses. I wonder what the motive for that is. I don't know if they're saying they actually made some money from this. Hold on. All right, what's going on? Comments. Is the employee being charged? So I don't know, and again, y'all can, if y'all know some information about the story, I'm still I just saw it on like LinkedIn, that the headline and everything, but I'm just genuinely. And then I saw something about the Macy's Day Parade. I don't know if that's them trying to counteract the story, but um, I can't tell if they said it was intentional, right? That they intentionally made erroneous accounting accrual. I just don't understand the motivation. It's not saying they don't say that they stole it. They just said they intentionally messed up these numbers. It's 154 million over 3 years. So that's pretty material in my eyes. Let's see, sales. I'm trying to figure out materiality. They said sales is about, let's say, 5 billion. Um, 50 million. We have 1%. So 1% is 50. So this is about 3%. That's kind of material to the financial statements. 154, and again, which is why they're postponing it. But yeah, that's crazy. I guess when you look at it in the years themselves, it's not material, but it isn't material because it's intentional. I wonder how they knew. I wonder how that investigation went. It was just like, hey, we found this. Hey, Bob, what's going on here, man? And it's like, yep, I did it. I did all. I sent it to the wrong account on purpose because it's just small packages. Who cares? I don't know. Oh, I haven't even shown y'all nothing. That's crazy. Hold on. I bet there it is. So yeah, I just wonder what that looked like. Did oh, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I'm trash. Hold on. Okay. I was just looking at this other stuff. But yeah, Macy's, that's insane. 154 million intentional error. They'll probably have to restate their financials for the past few years. It's insane. I wonder again, we need some more information, because if it's just a reclassification of one expense to another expense account, then it might not be that big of a deal. But I would love some more information on this. So just throwing that out there. I wanted to just highlight this case, and like, this is the interesting stuff that you can see in accounting. And it's not always just, the forensics and, stuff, but there's a lot more interesting things in accounting that you can like do and think of and talk about, which again, CPA Con is going to be a great place to see all those different things. And yeah, just had a client, a potential client, intro meeting, and he's in entertainment, and then he's also he's in crypto and trying to use crypto and blockchain to help fund his next projects and stuff like that. So those are, again, that's interesting to me. So yeah, sorry, 30 minutes is I know I was only really on here for like 25 minutes, and I'm like really, really, really focused on CPA Con, and just making that the best it can be. So I appreciate everybody who's spending time. I really want to see everybody out next week. I think it's going to be great. It's going to be our first one, so it's we're going to have some kinks. We're going to have some things to iron out. We're going to have some stuff to figure out and all that stuff. But I really want us to have a good time and see what, hopefully we can see the vision. We can make it further and further, and then we'll look back in history and be like, oh, I was at the first CPA Con, remember that? Oh, good times. So I appreciate everybody stopping by for Hollywood Accounting this week. Next week we will be doing Hollywood Accounting on site, in person at CPA Con. So around 12 is going to be around like the halftime show. So you'll be able to kind of hop in and see that. And then I'm still debating, if we don't get enough signups, then I probably won't do a virtual thing. But there's a virtual option. So if people wanted to drop in, there is virtual tickets. So if you want that, hit me up. and use that, and just see what we're doing, see what we're trying to create, see what we're trying to make happen. So I appreciate everybody's time. Thank you for spending, some more your Tuesday lunch, I guess, or Tuesday afternoon, depending on what time zone you're in, with me. So I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all next week. Have a great holiday weekend, and yeah, see y'all next week. CPA Con. Boom, boom, boom. All right, y'all.